Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most iconic crochet patterns ever, the classic granny square. It's super beginner friendly, relaxing to make and so versatile, from blankets to bags to wearable. So let's get started. So I'm using medium weight yarn, a pair of scissors and crochet hook is 4.0 mm. Before we start, here are the stitches we'll be using today: chain, slip stitch, double crochet. And now let's work on our slip knot. Use your thumb and ring finger, then make a cross like this. Now insert your hook into the loop and pull up the second loop like this, and then make it tight. And this is our slip knot. And now we will work on chains. Chain 4. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, again yarn over, pull up a loop. This is our chain 4. Now into our first chain, insert your hook and work one slip stitch. Pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, pull through this loop. This will make a magic ring and we will work in this magic ring. And now let's do chain 3. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull up a loop. This chain 3 will be count as our first double crochet. Now we'll work 2 double crochet into this ring. Yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. So this is our double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is our one cluster of 3 double crochets. After this, we will do chain 2. Now again, we will make one more cluster into the ring, yarn over, insert your hook, work on 1 double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Second double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's work on our third double crochet to complete our second cluster. Pull through 2, pull through 2. After 3 double crochets, we will work on chains. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Again, we will make our third cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now second double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over for third double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. After third cluster, we'll do chain 2. These chain 2 are making our corners of granny square. Let's work on our last and fourth cluster of 3 double crochets. Second double crochet and after that we'll make our third double crochet. To make our fourth corner, we'll do chain 2. You can see it's taking the shape of a square. Let's work on our chain 2 of last corner. Then we'll make a slip stitch on our first V where we did our chain 3. Insert your hook like this and work one slip stitch. You have 2 loops. Pull through this loop to close the square. You can see it's taking the shape of a square, right? Okay, now let's add our second row. First we'll do chain 3. After chain 3 where we did our chain 2 in the gap, we will work 2 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is our first cluster. Now we will do chain 1. After chain 1, to the next gap, we will work on our next cluster of 3 double crochets. Pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. After our cluster, work on chain 2 to prepare a corner. Now in the same gap, we will add our second cluster. pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. To make corners, we need to work on 2 clusters, and in between 2 clusters there should be 2 chains. After that, chain 1 and work on our next corner, 1 cluster, 2 chains and 1 cluster. Second double crochet, and now our third double crochet. After that, we will work on chain 2, 1 and 2. In the same gap, we will work on our second cluster. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2. After cluster, we will do chain 1. You can see our second row, this is making our square bigger. And let's add 1 chain and make next corner 3 double crochets, second and third, and chain 2 for a corner. Into the same gap, 3 double crochet, after 3 double crochet, chain 1. You can see it's taking a proper shape of a granny square. After chain 1, now this is our first corner where we did our first cluster, right? So here, as we have already our 1 cluster, we will make only 1 cluster. So we will do 3 double crochets. After that, chain 2 to attach this corner. We will work on chain 2. After chain 2, where we did our 3 chains, on that 3 chains, the first V, insert your hook, work a slip stitch to make this a proper square. You can see it's looking good, right? Okay, now if you want to increase the size of a square, you can add few more rows. I'm adding 1 more with the same process. Chain 3, then our first cluster. This chain 3 will be counted as our first double crochet. Then I will add 2 more double crochets. After that, we have this 1 more gap in the middle. Here we will work first chain 1, then we will work only 3 double crochets. Okay, so let me free my yarn. Okay, now we will add 3 double crochet. Phew! Okay, our first double crochet. Now add our second double crochet, third double crochet. After 3 double crochet, we will work on chain 1 to make a cluster. This is the corner. Here in the corners we work 2 clusters, but if it's the middle of the row, we will work only on 1 cluster. So this is the corner. We will work first cluster, then chain 2, then second cluster to make a corner. 3 double crochet. Let's add 1 more to complete the cluster, and you can see a proper corner. It's taking shape. Okay, let's continue the process till the end. Now let's do our last cluster to close our third row. Let's do our second double crochet and third. After 3 double crochets, chain 2 to make a corner, and now in our first V of our chain 3, insert your hook. Right here, insert your hook, then pull through this loop to make a slip stitch, pull this out. You can see this is our classic granny square. If you want to increase the rows, you can increase as many as you want. The process is same. In the corners will work one cluster, chain 2, one cluster, and in the middle will work one chain and then cluster, then one chain, one cluster and chain 2 for a corner. And just repeat the process to your desirable length. So this is the tutorial of our classic granny square. If you like the tutorial, please subscribe and follow for more. Bye bye.